So today I'm here in front of you guys to share my honest review and non-sponsored thoughts over here of this product, which is the Skincraft Dark Spot Control Skin Renewal Serum. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hello, my name is Sapshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare related content in this channel. So today I'm here in front of you guys to share my honest review and non-sponsored thoughts over here of this product, which is the Skincraft Dark Spot Control Skin Renewal Serum. I have been using this serum over here for almost a month now, I think more than a month now, and I have my thoughts clear which I want to share with you guys who are my virtual family, so that it helps you guys in a way to make your mind if you want to purchase this product, if you want to invest your money in this product or not. So I have tried it out so that you don't have to. So yes, if this sounds interesting guys, please keep on watching and watch the video till the end. And after you're done watching this video, if you find this review video helpful, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. You will find the red subscribe button down below. Please hit on that button and make that button grey, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on it, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And from now on, as you already know, I am posting videos on every Sunday. So yes, I hope you will look forward to my next Sunday's video, because that is going to be another interesting video. But that's not something that we are going to talk in this video today. We are going to talk about this product. So without any further ado, let's get into the review. Now let's quickly start the review itself. What I'll do is I'll divide this review in few parts so that it's understandable to you guys, so that you guys can actually judge how the product works and what are the different aspects of the product. So very first thing I want to talk about is packaging. Now talk about the packaging of the product first. So this is how the serum bottle looks like. It's a all over plastic packaging, which is not glass, I know, but I must say guys, this looks pretty cute sitting on your vanity, isn't it? I really love the color combination of white and the sky blue. It's looking really classy, pretty and fun at the same time. I dig the packaging. And now coming to the actual packaging, it comes with this pump over here. So you just have to press it, and the products actually dispenses pretty well using this pump packaging, and it is pretty hygienic as well, as you don't have to touch the product again and again. And actually this bottle comes in an outer packaging. This cardboard box is the outer packaging. Because Skincraft, I hope you already know, it's a brand which makes customized skincare, and you can actually head over to their like official website and check your skin concern as well as your skin type. As per that need, you can actually customize your skincare routine over there, and you can get it delivered using a Skincraft box. So it's like a subscription service they have. I wanted to try the serum, so they were pretty generous to send it to me actually. But this review is actually totally 100% unsponsored and non-sponsored, as well as just my honest feedback. I think if it doesn't suit you, all you have to do is you have to scan this barcode which is given with this box, and you have to let them that follow up the quiz, and they will, a free product replacement will be more suitable one if your feedback is not good for this product. So they will send you a free product replacement if it doesn't work for you, and if you bought it for the first time and it doesn't work, which a really cool thing. Okay, nice, I like that. So now I have already shown you the packaging. Now let's move forward to the next. So the second part I'm going to talk about is the quantity as well as the pricing. So the quantity that you're getting is 30 ml, or actually 30 gram, and the pricing is for 899 rupees. So if you ask my point of view, as I have already used this product, if I find the pricing justified or not, I think the pricing is somewhere in between. It's not crazily overpriced and it's not very affordable as well, because 899 rupees is almost 900 rupees, which I don't think is very affordable for most of us. Yes, some of you might find it affordable, because affordability is objective. If you are someone who is accustomed by using only high-end products, you will find this price point pretty affordable. But someone like me who uses drugstore product mostly, although I strongly believe that skincare is an investment and I am ready to invest in a product in a while if it actually helps my skin and actually does solve a skincare problem. Because always it's not that a product which is very expensive will be good for you and product which is not expensive will be trash. It does not happen like that. So we will talk about the product more, then you will find the price is justified or not. But as it's 30 gram of product, I think it's a decent amount of product that you're getting. You don't need a lot of product to cover your whole face, because it's a serum, it's not a moisturizer that you have to pack on. You can just take 1 or 1.5 pump of it, and as I'll show you next the consistency, you will be easily understanding how the product actually works on your skin and how the consistency is, and you don't actually need a lot of it. So you will you can use this product for quite a long time, even if you use it daily. So what I can see is this product, I'll just tell you what this product has, because they have given a ingredient list of few things, but after reading the ingredient list I really don't think it is the full ingredient list, or is it? Oh yes, it is actually. So if I talk about in their website, I have already gone ahead and checked it up. They have not mentioned the full ingredient list, but in their actual packaging, they have mentioned the full ingredient list, which is ethyl ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C, as well as it has alpha arbutin. You must be knowing it's another active, and also it has niacinamide. It has retinol as well, and few other things, and also okay, alright, and glycerin is something which almost every skincare product has. And yes, it has xanthan gum, which explains the jelly kind of consistency. So let's talk about the actives that this product has. It's pretty high on actives, guys. Let me tell you, one thing I actually noticed and did not really like, that they have not mentioned the percentage of the actives when they are talking about like proper very potent actives. When I'm talking about retinol or vitamin C or alpha arbutin, I think they should go forward and mention the percentage, so that someone who is a beginner can actually read the percentage and like they can make their mind if they are they want to invest their money in it. Because otherwise, if not someone who is a absolute beginner in terms of using actives and they have never used any, if they directly go with a product like this, I really don't know how their skin will react. Because honestly, in my skin has not reacted in any bad way after using it. I did not get any breakout or anything, and I did not even notice any purging. My skin took it very nicely, but I'm not sure about others, because everyone's skin is different, and I'm someone who has been using active for quite a while now, almost more than a year, and I have been using AHS, BHS, I have used peptides, I have used vitamin C, I have used alpha arbutin, as well as I have what else I have used? Hyaluronic acid I cannot call proper active, but yes, all these kind of things I have already used, and so I think I can say that my skin almost accustomed with some percentage of actives in the skincare. But if you're someone who is a totally beginner in terms of active, I think you should stay away from this. I am not saying the product is bad, but as they have not mentioned the percentage, I could not find it in the website as well. So that's, I think it's a bad point for this product. So now move forward with their claims. So first, okay, they have said that it's recommended for dark spot, dark patches and aging skin. That explains, because it has niacinamide, vitamin C as well as retinol. So retinol will take care of the aging skin, and the rest of the two as well as alpha arbutin will take care of the dark spots and improve the appearance of stubborn brown patches. Obviously alpha arbutin is there, niacinamide is there, vitamin C is there, so it will do that. And now talking about neutralizes free radicals and repairs photo damage, okay, and stimulates collagen and elastin for aging skin. Again retinol is there, because you have to take care of your skin. Our skin is our largest organ in the body and it protects all other organs, so you have to be serious whenever you're buying something for your skin. We know it's our beauty bloggers like responsibility to try a hell lot of products for you guys, and the amount of pressure our skin we make our skin to go through, you guys don't have to do that. That's the reason while I was absent from YouTube for all these months, I have utilized that time to try and test as much product as possible, new products as possible for my skin, to see the results, and so that I can come back and share all my thoughts regarding all these products. And trust me guys, there are a lot of product reviews coming up in future days. So I'll show you how the product looks now. So let me take one pump of it. You can see one pump of it is quite enough if you're applying it on your just on your face. Otherwise as I have a lot of dark spots all across my face, what I do is I actually apply it all over my face. Otherwise you can actually take even half pump of it and then apply it just on the dark spots. Let me show you how the product looks. Can you see, it's just like a gel consistency, and as soon as this comes in contact with our like skin heat, it melts. It melts and it turns into a watery consistency instead. Just see. It gives a radiant kind of finish, but there is nothing, no residue whatsoever, talking about any oiliness or any heaviness, nothing. It just makes your skin look a little bit more moisturized, I would say. So, which I really like. So as I have told you, I have already using it up for more than a month now. This particular product has helped me, okay. What I do is I take half a pump and I apply it on the dark spots that I have, and just on during my nighttime routine, and I just pat it dry a little bit. Then after 15 minutes I apply a moisturizer. This actually stands up to all the claims the brand has made, which is it helps to lighten the dark spots, because my dark spots are not removed completely. I have used it for 1 month consistently, and I have seen my dark spot has lightened a bit. So obviously skincare is no magic, you have to be consistent with it, and I know even completing one bottle is not enough for those severe dark spots. For my skin, maybe your skin will need just one bottle, it depends, with everyone's skin is different. So yes, I have to be consistent with it. So if you ask me, will I repurchase this, because this is a very pricey product, although the brand has sent me this, I think I will. In case I see after I like finish this bottle, if I see that there are still a lot of dark marks that needs to get removed from my face, I will buy this. So first talking about the first pro I found was the packaging. So packaging is very nice, I think, because it's very cute, very convenient, very travel friendly, and also hygienic. And so it takes all the points that I need in a packaging of a product. So it's really cute and like very practical as well. So packaging is the first pro. Now talking about con, I think pricing can be a con for few of us. Like it's not very affordable, I would say. But if you want to invest in a good serum, and if your skin can handle all this like mixture of actives, I think it's okay, but it still can be a con for few people. So first con is pricing, which is 899 rupees, almost 900 rupees for 30 ml. So pro number 2, I think it does what it claims to do, which is a pretty good thing. So you are paying a good money and you are getting a result. So that, I think at the end of the day, that's worth it. So pro number 2 is the results. It really stands up to its claims. Con number 2 is they have not mentioned the percentage of the product, like the ingredients in it. At least the actives must have percentage included. So we all should know what is going on our skin, and as a consumer and as a smart consumer, we should know that. And it's, come on, it's 21st century. We all know a little about skincare, and we want to know in detail what is going on over our skin. So I think that we deserve to know that. And I hope Skincraft actually mentions all the percentages in their future, so in all their products, which I really I think I would appreciate it. I think you guys will appreciate it too. Now talk about pro number 3, that they have a thing where you can actually tell them after using it, if it doesn't suit you, they will actually analyze your skin type and skin concern by asking you a quiz or something. You have to answer it, and then they will send you a product which will be more suitable for your skin. That is for free, of course, as they have mentioned it. Obviously I have not tried it because this product had suited me well, but in case some of you are skeptical of whether should we go for it even after we buy it, if it doesn't suit us, what to do, our money will be go in vain. But no, they have this thing, I have just noticed. So that is a good thing, it's a pro. So without any worry, you can actually go forward with their product. They can even exchange it with a new bottle of a new product which will be more suitable for you in case this does not. So that is pro number 3. Now talking about, I don't think I have any more cons. And okay, pro number 4 is, I'm really impressed that they have mentioned all the ingredients. So most of the companies nowadays, they just mention the key ingredients and they just leave it like that. But as they have mentioned all the ingredients in the packaging, I would appreciate if they would mention it on their website as well as on the product page as well. But they haven't. But that's fine, because the product itself and the packaging, it has the ingredient mentioned, all the ingredients. So which is something really good. And now, is there any other pro? I don't think so. So it's 4 pros versus 2 cons. I think obviously pros are double the number of cons, and I think that says a lot about the product. And I do recommend this product to you guys, and I will not give another disclaimer of this. You already must be knowing about the active percentage that I have told you. Now let me give you the tips that I promised you. If you use this kind of product in your include this in your skincare routine, guys, I actually suggest you to use it during night time, because it has a lot of actives. Like, it has vitamin C. You can actually use it during daytime, that's fine. But as it has retinol and it has niacinamide and it has alpha arbutin, all these things, I think they are better if you use it at night time, which is okay, better for your skin, because our skin will get a time to heal and recover throughout the night. And in the morning, during your morning skincare routine, doesn't matter if you're going out or not, whatever skincare routine you follow in the next day, you should always wear a sunscreen, because after wearing all these actives, your skin is prone to be photosensitive. And even if it doesn't, sunscreen is a must, guys, even if you're not leaving home. Because if you have a window or a door open inside your room, from there the UV rays will come inside your room and will harm your skin. So you have to protect your skin, otherwise all the money you spend on this kind of serum to use at night time will go in vain, if in the morning time you cannot just apply a sunscreen to protect your skin and help your skin not to get damaged even further. So I hope that makes sense. So these are the 2 small things I wanted to mention, which they have not mentioned. But yes, and I know some of you might be skeptical, all these actives can be used together or not. There are actually 2 groups who said that who says that vitamin C can be used with niacinamide, someone says it cannot be used with niacinamide and retinol and everything. And yes, it is a like subject about which there can be a whole debate on it. I am not going in it, but what I can say in my personal review is this product has suited me. My skin did not feel any kind of irritation, any kind of sensitivity, or any kind of purging. I did not get extra breakouts using this, so my skin took it very nicely and it has suited me. That's why I'm recommended to you guys. But always do a patch test, as your skin might be different than mine, so always do a patch test if you, in case you want to buy it. What I'll do is I'll leave the links of this product down below in the bottom bar, so it's easier for you to go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. I really appreciate that, and I hope you found this review helpful to you guys. And if you did, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel guys. That's absolutely free, and you just have to go ahead, go down below, and there will be the red subscribe button. Hit on that button, make that button gray, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you get all the notifications every time I upload a video. Also, if you want to support me, give this video a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family to spread the word and grow my Zoe Bird family. And yes, if you really love me and support me, you can head over to my other social media accounts as well. I have already left all the links down below in the bottom bar. Also, I'll mention my Instagram handle over here. In case you want to go to Instagram and search me up over there, you can use this handle. And over there, you can follow me because I post makeup content as well as reviews over there almost daily. So if you don't want to miss out on that fun stuff, head over there. And also I am in Clubhouse now as well. I'll leave that link also down below. If you want to follow me in my Clubhouse account, you can move forward and go over there as well. So yes, I'll see you next Sunday. Till then, I hope you all stay safe, take care, bye bye guys. Mwah.